My name is Lilyestrom. I'm a transformational branding strategist and business coach. I help entrepreneurs create heart-centered brands and thriving businesses all over the globe. In 2018, I started looking at new ways to diversify my marketing efforts and to welcome in new leads and subscribers on my email list. I felt frustrated because I was using the sort of static, old-fashioned ways of marketing with freebies and guides and just very static opt-ins. And when I created my first Interact quiz, not only did it seamlessly integrate with my email marketing system, but it gave me the opportunity to target my audience specifically based upon the profile in which they received in the process of taking the quiz. What was most exciting to me beyond that, besides just the fact that we brought in over 2,000 leads in just a few short months, and many of those folks translated into high-value mastermind students, program participants, and live event attendees, but we were able to segment our audience based upon the data with which their results reflected in taking the quiz, which meant that we had a better understanding of who was signing up for our list, who was staying on board, and who was pulling the trigger and signing up for programs and purchasing products as a result. Since using the Interact quiz, we have grown our list by almost 2,500 leads at this point in time, and we have greater insights and data into who those subscribers are. We're better able to communicate and customize our content for them. I could not more highly recommend Interact Quiz as a platform to help you grow your business and to connect more authentically and from a heart-centered perspective, of course, with your audience. I will also add that it's seamlessly integrated with all of our marketing tools and our email systems in the background, and it has been an incredible addition to our marketing efforts. Thank you, Interact Quiz. I so appreciate this beautiful platform and the way in which it is helping me connect with my tribe.